So let's start our exercise 10.5. Now see the first question. In figure A, B and C are 3 points on a circle with center O such that angle BOC equals to 30 degree. This angle BOC is equals to 30 degree and angle AOB equals to 60 degree. AOB is equals to 60 degree. Now if D is a point on the circle, this D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC, other than this arc ABC. We have to find angle ADC. This angle we have to find. Okay. So first of all we can see that this angle AOC is equals to angle AOB plus angle BOC. So we have written angle AOC is equals to angle AOB plus angle BOC. So angle AOC is equals to 60 plus 30. So angle AOC is equals to 60 plus 30 is 90. Angle AOC is equals to 90 degree. Now, just now I have told you a theorem. See, this is the arc AC and this is a minor arc. Okay, so this is the angle formed at center and this is the angle formed at any other part. Okay, so by that theorem we have studied that this angle will be half of this center angle. Okay, so we can write angle ADC is equals to half of angle AOC. Okay, and in bracket you will write the theorem. Okay, that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, here you will write that theorem as the reason. Now after that, angle ADC is equals to half of what is angle AOC? 90 degree. So into 90 degree, to 1 times and to 45 times. So angle ADC is equals to 45 degree. This is our answer. Now see the second question. A chord of a circle, this is the second question. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. This chord of the circle AB is equals to radius of circle, that is OA and OB. These all are equal. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. That means we have to find this angle and this angle. Okay. So first of all, in this triangle, OA is equals to OB is equals to AB. Why? Because these two are radius and this chord is equal to radius, it is given. So these all three sides are equal. Now if all three sides are equal, then triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Now if this is an equilateral triangle, then all of its angles will be equal to 60 degree. So angle AOB is equals to 60 degree. Now if this angle AOB is equals to 60 degree, then reflex of angle AOB, that means this angle, will be equal to 360 minus 60. So reflex of angle AOB is equals to 360 minus 60 is 300 degree. Okay. Now this is arc AB and this is the angle formed at center and this is the angle formed at any other part of the circle. This AB is the minor arc. Okay. So this angle will be half of this angle. So we can write angle ACB is equals to half of angle AOB. Okay, and what will be the reason? Our theorem that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, this theorem you will write here. So angle ACB is equals to half of What is angle AOB? AOB is 60 degree. So into 60 degree. So angle ACB is equals to 1 times to 30 times. So angle ACB is equals to 30 degree. Now see, in this, now we will take this arc AB. Okay, this arc AB is major arc and this point D is on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, so the angle formed at center is this one. Okay, and the angle formed at any other part is this one. Now since this is a major arc, so we will take reflex angle. Okay, so we know that this angle will be half of the angle formed at center. So we can write angle ADB will be equal to half of this reflex angle AOB. Okay, now angle ADB will be equal to half of reflex angle AOB is 300. Cancel it, 2 1 times, 2 150 times. So angle ADB is equals to 150 degree. Here also in reason you will write the same theorem. Okay, now we got both the angles. This was our answer and this was our answer. So we got both the answers. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.